quick walk around, guys. See what we can find out here today. Really see too much. This one ain't too big. Just wanted to come out here and walk around. I see some stuff on the next row though. Got a dang, I don't know about suspension. Look like maybe this isn't suspension on this side. Got the window down. Airbag out. Battery dead too. Don't hear nothing. Looks like it's been sitting here for a while. Got this Honda though. Honda right here pretty clean as far as the body work on this side. Yep. Body work all around. Look alright. Needed like paint job or something. Oh, I see this Corvette. Ain't nobody. Oh, this got a flat tire. Look like. See if it'll crank up. Uh-oh, might be the first channel car. Damn. Might be the first channel car. Dang. See for the crank. I don't see no key. No key right there. But I don't hear no. Oh, dang. Go 200. That's what, what's his name? Cali Muscle be talking about. Don't go 200, take it back. Yeah, the battery dead. I said, damn, I wanted to hear this motherfucker. Might have to find somebody to, jump it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna check this out. This is my first walk around, so I'm gonna have to get used to everything. But yeah, she pretty clean. Got the only thing I see wrong with it is this front tire. Got some little body like scratches, but she clean though. Woo-wee. Might be the first project. All right, guys, we got a Challenger here. And no airbags deployed. Uh-oh, I don't see no no body damage on this side. Let me walk around. Mustang here too. Dang. Found some good deals out here, guys. All the batteries dead though. I don't know because I haven't gotten in here. Uh-oh. Yeah, but this one might crank. This is kind of tight. Let me slide in here though. Let's see if we can hear something. Uh-oh. Got that AC on. Somebody must have been in here testing the AC out. what they did on it. The interior look good. Dang. Just gotta push the seats back. Got a little hair everywhere. Yeah, this sounds like a V6. It only goes 140. Gas. I don't see no check engine lights. Dang. Sound real good. Let me put this key back. Yeah, guys, they got some good cars out here. This Mustang just need the back on. This back end look like gonna cut it. Mike was already at the body shop. What's up, guys? Yeah, looking at this Mustang. It looks pretty good too. From USAA. So I guess that's a bank car. Looks good. On the other side, it's like damage in the back. Dang, it's cold though. I think it's like a V6. Just got this damage right here. And this tire, that'll be a good build though. That's not too bad for me just starting out. Easy project. You know, I get a body shop to do that. Unless it's some screw on boat on. I don't know. I'll be studying this stuff. Dang, interior cold. I'm about to crank this up, guys. Level. Damn, what year is this? 2012. It don't look like no 2012 though. Damn, shit, clean as hell. They kept this up. Let me crank it up. Turn this AC on. Damn, crank right up too. Ooh, that feel like heat. Oh, that's AC. Damn, it got all type of lights on. No air pressure. That's from the back. On that side where the tire need to be replaced. Check engine light. I know the AC is good though. Can't be too bad. Damn, they kept good care of this. Whoever had it. USAA. Dang, that's nice. I got some nice stuff out here today. Alright, turn it back on when I see something. These two and that Corvette, those are real good 3 cars that I might try to bring to the channel, so I'll let you guys know. I think this is a 4 Series or 3 body check. I mean, body is good in the front, 4-door. I'm gonna crank it up, just do a walk around right now. But yeah, this is a pretty good build too. Dang. Y'all see how much this is going for. It don't say the series, but I guess it's just the only damage that I see right here. Just this back. I don't know why they marked the front too. Got a couple of dents on the doors. But that door and down here too, that's still good though. I don't know, you might can save that door because it look like it's just right there. This right here might need to be replaced though. Dang, all of this. Dang, I might have to cut it. I don't know how they do it at the body shop. I got a guy, he might can just fix it like that. That's not too bad though. Gonna have to replace this light. But it's only this, it's not connected, so just one. Yes, sir. Look like I need a new tire, maybe some suspension. I don't know, guys. Maybe some suspension work too. But this door got. Oh, damn, how they see these dents? Well, it got some dents right there too. And something going on over here. rim a little bit, so they got repair places though for the rims. Let's see what's going on in here. Woo, smell like weed. Smell like Zaza. Smell like Zaza. Got trash everywhere. The interior look good though. Yes, sir. I don't see that red light on. That symbol's on, so it might crank. Let me look in the back. The door damage ain't too bad, so you might can fix that. You gotta take it to a body shop, check that out. Damn, it's real good. I don't know how is this trash right here. Got it everywhere. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, crank right up. Chassis, damn. Drive careful. Damn, that's, I don't know how much that chassis stuff will cost. And I don't see no check engine light. It's more suspension. So you look at suspension, go ahead and add that in. I think it's still good, man. It looks real good. The interior. And I don't know if it's a Salvage title or what. Might be a rebuild title or I don't know. And I only got, it got 59,000 miles on it. Close to 60, might as well say. Yep, guys. Another good find out here. First day. Dang, pretty alright. Without too much body work. Need to be done to it, so. Alright, I'm gonna check you guys out when I get to the next car. Look at that. The Mopar guys down here. Somebody drew a Hellcat on the side of this joint. Yo, that's crazy. Somebody put a cat beside this joint. It's a big ass Hellcat sign. Look like it's a V6 though. Need a door too. It still don't look too bad as far as body damage. They cut that out. It's not bent in though. It's just they cut it. That door, gonna need a new door right there. But yeah, it don't look too bad. Don't look like it's pushed in or nothing. Just gonna need this door. Look like, and that front door. They got SRT on it up here on the hood. I'm about to crank it. Dang, I can't crank it up. I might can crank it up from the other side. I'm about to see. It's a nice cover too. Nah, I don't see no kind of badges nowhere. I'm gonna pop the hood if I can from the other side. Uh-oh, it's a Camaro over there. Dang, look pretty good, man. That's the door. They got a door in the back. Dang, how the fuck? I'm gonna have to put my foot over there. Don't nobody wanna hear no V6, do we? Should I crank it and let me see. It's a GT. Damn. I don't wanna pull the stuff off the door. For you guys, first day. For you guys, I'm gonna crank it. It might have been sitting. Might have it's kinda hot out here, but might still get a cold start. Let me check it out. Let me see. Oh, yeah, straight V6. Got a little something to it. If I hit the gas, it might do a little baby roar or something. Might do a baby roar now. I don't see too much wrong with it. Just that door. Yeah, these sound like a little puppy.